Alrighty, those are just our Little Debbie's Cosmic Brownies. All right, now that we've got our Cosmic Brownies rolled out into a thin sheet and combined together, I'm just coming in with some of our Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake. And actually I did a big glob for the first one there, but I'm gonna keep these other globs smaller because I don't want my cheesecake layer to be too thick. We're gonna be adding even more to this and showing you a really cool dessert technique that you can make with any brownies, your own homemade brownies, or like the Cosmic Brownies like I'm doing. And I think you all are really gonna love this. All right, we're coming in with our Nutella, and I just warm this just a little bit. We're just gonna drizzle this all throughout here. Gosh, I love Nutella, and especially around Christmas time. It just has such a wonderful sort of warm, homey Christmas feel. Perfect. All right, we're just gonna marble our Nutella into our cheesecake here. Ooh, is there a better flavor combination? A brownie crust. We've got this delicious cheesecake with Nutella. Oh my gosh, y'all, and we're not even done. We're gonna be adding more to this, combining all of your favorite flavors. Oh, all right, I've got some sea salt caramel. I love it with chocolate. I love it with cheesecake. And we are just coming in and adding this into the mix because like I said, all your favorites all in one. Perfect. Alrighty, now you might have noticed I did some parchment paper under here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the parchment paper, I'm gonna start folding this in on itself. And the nice thing about these Cosmic Brownies is they are so juicy, tender, squishy, that they just form into anything you want them to, kind of like a cake pop. And I'm just gonna keep doubling this over to make sure we're getting close, a tight roll here. Ooh, and that's also why I didn't want my cheesecake layer to be too thick, because we want all of that goodness inside of our roll. Look at this, this is gonna be so beautiful. And these smells that are emanating from this are just absolutely fantastic. Now I did put 2 sheets of parchment, so we're abandoning number 1. We're on to number 2. Don't worry about losing a crumb here or there because it's all gonna work out. Alrighty, we're just gonna pick up our beauty here and I'm gonna transfer it just like that onto my plastic wrap. All right, we're just gonna wrap these sides up here. We're gonna start forming. Just gonna make sure we can get this almost edge to edge. I might need to put one more little piece of saran. Just gonna fold these pieces in, and then I'm just gonna keep working it, just like that. Perfect. End to end. Alrighty, I'm gonna place this in my freezer to set and then we'll be ready to eat. All right, while my roll is in the freezer, I'm just coming in with a measuring cup. I've got some white chocolate melts here. I am just going to get these babies melted up. Alrighty, we just had our roll in the freezer here. She's not completely solid. I just had her in there for about an hour, but she is a little more solid and ready to come out and be the star of our party. Look at this, oh my goodness. Just get all of this saran wrap right off. And we're just gonna come in with that drizzle of white chocolate. Oh my goodness, isn't this stunning? What a beautiful holiday dessert. Wow, I just think this is gonna be such an impressive, delicious treat for all your guests. And nothing says Christmas to me like sprinkles. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is just turning out gorgeous. Now let me show you what we've got going on here, everybody. Wow. Stunning. Oh my goodness. Look at that, y'all. Y'all have got to try it.
It's a bûche de Noël. Merry Christmas.